Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. In this video, I will show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on Realme Note 60. Okay guys, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, first thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to about phone. Next, open RAM. Click it. Yep, you can see my RAM expansions is default active in 2 GB. You can add RAM expansions on your phone up to 4 GB or 8 GB. I wanna change to add up to 8 GB like this. Yep, successfully, but you can see the settings will take effect after you restart your device. Yep, we must restart the device. Click restart. Okay, wait a minute, my phone will be active. Okay, I wanna check my RAM expansions. Open settings menu. Next, open about phone and then RAM. Yep, you can see successfully my RAM is 4 GB plus 8 GB RAM expansions. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.